about it too much, too much. You just need to think up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much,